AI tools are changing the game in 2024. Whether you want to work from home, boost your income, or set a profitable side hustle, AI is your best ally. Today, we are diving into 5 easy ways to make money from home using AI this year. If you've been looking for the best ways to leverage AI for passive income, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos with more AI-powered money-making tips. Let's dive in. First up, one of the simplest and most profitable ways to use AI from home is through AI-generated video scripts. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate YouTube video scripts in minutes. You don't even need to be on the camera. By creating faceless tutorial channels, your voice and visuals can do all the work for you. Imagine having a channel that covers tech tutorial cooking tips. AI writes the script, and all you need to do is record the voiceover. You can quickly grow your channel, monetize through ads, and even add affiliate links for extra income. Comment below if you've ever used AI for content creation. I'd love to hear from your experience. Next, let's talk about the fast-growing trends of AI-powered print-on-demand. It's perfect for those wanting to sell custom products online without worrying about the inventory or shipping. AI tools can generate catchy quotes, slogans, and designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and notebooks. You can set up an e-commerce store on Shopify and use print-on-demand services to handle all the production. For instance, you could create unique t-shirt designs using AI. No need for upfront cost or storage. Everything is handled automatically, letting you focus on driving traffic to your store. Let me know in the comment below if you thought about this, starting a print-on-demand store. Third on our list is AI-generated artwork, one of the most creative ways to make money from home. With tools like MidJourney, you can create stunning digital artwork just in a few prompts, whether it's abstract design or nature illustrations. These can be sold on platforms like Etsy and digital downloads. Imagine selling AI-generated floral illustrations as print on Etsy. It's a great way to build a passive income stream with minimal upfront cost. Let me know in the comments what type of AI artwork would you like to create. Now let's look at one of the most lucrative ways to use AI-powered copywriting. If you're a freelance copywriter, AI can boost your output and help you deliver content faster. Tools like ChatGPT can generate full blog posts, marketing copy, or email campaigns in seconds. You can edit and polish the content to ensure it's aligned with your client brand. By speeding up the process, you can take one more client and project without sacrificing quality. AI handles the bulk of the work, so you can focus on refining and adding a personal touch. How do you think AI could make your freelancing work easier? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Finally, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to earn passive income: AI-powered newsletters. AI tools can help you write and schedule weekly or monthly newsletters, freeing up your time to build your subscribers list and grow your business. With a large enough audience, you can monetize newsletters through sponsorship or by embedding affiliate links. AI handles the content creation, and you can focus on interacting with your readers and finding new ways to grow. Have you ever thought about starting a newsletter? Let me know what topics you'd cover in the comments below. AI is transforming the way we work, and there's no better time than now to take advantage of its power to create multiple income streams from home. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money with AI. Let me know in the comments which AI money making ideas you'd like to try first. And don't forget to stay in tune with the next video, where we will dive into more advanced AI tools for maximizing your profits in 2024. Until then, be freelantastic.